Eureka Forbes presents the Forbes Turbo Clean. Get ready to experience cleaning like never before. A vacuum cleaner so powerful, it'll make you enjoy the process of cleaning your home. The Forbes Turbo Clean has powerful cyclonic suction ends that can pick up the most resistant of dust particles. Its compact design makes for easy handling and ease of use. Power the device on by inserting the plug into an electrical outlet and put it on. Here are some of the very useful accessories it comes with. The accessories connector easily attaches all the accessories to the unit. The Turbo Clean comes with a telescopic extension tube which lets you clean without having to bend over. That means backaches while cleaning are now a thing of the past. The Crevice Plus brush is a 2-in-1 accessory which sucks away dust from nooks, corners and other hard-to-reach areas. The brush end can be used to clean paintings, tabletops, showpieces and other hard surfaces. The floor-cum-carpet brush enables you to glide over floors and carpets with ease. The upholstery brush can be used to clean mattresses, cushions, curtains and other soft furnishings. Once you're done cleaning, it's time to empty the storage. Press the button and the waste neatly slides into the dustbin. The Turbo Clean is a powerful Generation Z device that helps you clean your home with its dynamic suction and ease of use. Get yourself a Turbo Clean now. Eureka Forbes, your friend for life.